brake caliper templates. What are they? How do you use them? And how can you use them to make sure that you find the right size wheel to fit over that big brake? Let's get into it. As automotive enthusiasts, we have an unhealthy obsession with making sure that we're accessorizing our vehicles and getting the most out of it for both style and performance. And when it comes down to wheels, sometimes the best accessory to those wheels is a good pair of brakes. But when you want to upgrade your brakes, when you want to make sure that you're getting a kit that's going to give you better stopping power, well, now we need to change some things. And when we change those things, i.e. the brakes, are our wheels going to fit? And how can we figure that out before we either buy the brake kit or buy a set of wheels for the brake kit that we just installed and find out that they don't work? All right, so let's get into it. This is a brake caliper template. When you cut it out, it looks like this. You see what happened here? We went from the paper, now we have this. So these are really simple. They're actually very good in use. All you have to do is print it out to scale. To scale is the key word there. You're gonna cut it out. This is gonna basically resemble exactly to scale what the brake kit that you put on your car is gonna look like. Now all we have to do is fit it into the back of a wheel. So you take your wheel, turn it on the face there, and be able to insert this in the center bore. While you do that, you'll be able to see if there's any margin where it's gonna clip the back of the spoke, maybe the height of the barrel is incorrect. So this is a way that you would use this template to ensure that the brake kit that you're about to buy, if you already have wheels, is going to clear into the wheels that you currently own. So there are two situations where you're probably going to be using a brake caliper template to try to figure out which direction you need to move. So the first situation is that you have wheels right now, but you're looking to buy a big brake kit, and you want to make sure that you're going to be able to keep the wheels that you have on the car now, but you want to make sure that you're picking a brake kit that will then fit with that wheel package. Scenario number two is kind of closely related, but it's kind of the reverse. That means that you are looking to buy a set of wheels and you have a big brake kit on your car. Now, there are a couple ways that you can utilize a brake caliper template for that, and we're gonna kind of go into that. All right, so let's get into the second scenario. That is that you currently have a big brake kit on your car, aftermarket presumably, and you're looking to make sure that the wheel purchase that you're about to make is gonna work with your brake kit once you get the wheels. So this is a little bit more difficult. In other words, you can't download this, cut this out, and use it. You don't have the wheels yet. How do you make the most of this when you don't actually have the wheel present? Well, here's how you do it. There's some companies that are gonna be super accommodating to people that wanna upgrade their car. We're one of them. So all you have to do is find this brake caliper template, usually on the brake manufacturer's website that you bought the kit from. Make sure it's the correct one for your vehicle and it's the kit that you actually purchased. And then you can go ahead and download as a PDF file and send that to us at fitment@koenigwheels.com. And we will do our best to check it for you. All you have to do is tell us what wheel you're looking to get, what size, what specs, and we will go ahead, convert this digitally, and we'll put it into the wheel 2D drawing that we have to ensure that you know how exactly that brake will fit. This is something that we do because we want to make sure that none of our customers are ever going to be left in a situation where they kind of buy wheels or they buy big brakes and they can't work them together. We don't want to have you spend your money twice. So make sure that whatever wheel brand you're buying, they will do this. Don't just take my word on it and then find out that that company doesn't offer that service. If your car comes with a big brake kit, maybe it's one of those Evo Lancer Evolutions that has a big set of Brembos, maybe it's an R35, maybe it's just an M3. It's something that has a hard to fit brake. All you have to do for that is go ahead and contact the wheel manufacturer that you're looking to get some wheels for and ask them what the right fitment is. You could also use websites that are incredibly in tune, places like Discount Tire, TireRack.com. Most of these companies, they have a whole fitment team and their job is to make sure that they're checking these cars with the wheels that they're putting up so that you don't have to. Anyhow, if you have any questions, you have any thoughts, if there's anything that you ever need from us, feel free to drop it below in the comments and we'll get to them. Thanks for hanging out with us and we'll catch you in the next one.